This is the BioLite FirePit. I got this to take with me with the VW camper van for cold evenings and an occasional barbecue on the beach. At the end of the video, I've got a full unboxing of the FirePit when I got it. I left it at the end so you don't have to fast forward it if you didn't want to watch it. There are a few things that make this FirePit special. On the side there's a rechargeable lithium battery that powers a fan that blows air into 3 metal tubes strategically placed in the fire pit. The tubes have a total of around 50 small holes that blow air into the fire, and this allows the fuel to burn more efficiently, which creates less smoke. On a fully charged battery, it'll run about 30 hours on the low setting, 14 hours in the medium, or 7 hours in the high setting. The battery can also be disconnected and used to charge your mobile if needed. The size of the flames can be controlled manually or remotely with this Bluetooth app that you can install on your phone. It connects to the fire pit using Bluetooth. It's simple. It just controls the power of the fan, but it also shows you the amount of battery that's left in it. The sides of the fire pit are made of a metal mesh. BioLite calls this the X-ray mesh. What this does is it allows you to see the burning of the wood or coal through the mesh. It sort of reminds me of an open fireplace in a home. The fire pit can also be used as a barbecue. At the bottom of the burning chamber there's this metal rack that can be moved up, and then you put charcoal for the barbecue onto this rack. Then at the top there's a metal grate that you slide on that the food gets cooked on. Now this metal grate can slide across so that you can add more charcoal if need be. You can even roast marshmallows on it in the backyard. One of the other main features for me is this fire pit is very portable. There's 4 legs that fold up underneath the fire pit, and it weighs just under 20 pounds. They also supply a black cover that has Velcro straps that wrap around it to keep it on tight. It's just very easy to transport, and I can stick it in the back of the van and it doesn't take up that much space. The last section of this video is an unboxing video I took when I first got the BioLite. Feel free to watch this if you're interested in the unboxing to see what it comes with. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you and it gives you some examples of what the fire pit's like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these type of videos, subscribe. So until next time, I will see you later.